Okay. Pa's seeing if he can get this pumpkin started. It's gonna start. I don't know, it is a Ford though. Come on, baby. Woo! For Earth Day. Oh geez, don't let AOC see that. We'll be dead in 11 years, not 12. Nice. Nothing like some fresh, nasty smoke to breathe in. First thing in the morning. Hold my breath. Woo. Sweet Jesus. You better take me on vacation after all this crap. Yay. Looks like all the tires are good. So 2 days ago I was running around with short sleeves on doing yard work, and today it's back to this crud. Ugh.
Okay.
It's a go!
Now, that really reminds me of something. Stevie Ray Vaughan. Now that's a cold start, babe. Yeah, that's a thing.
Say ta-ta!
Ta-ta!